Hi guys, another unboxing for our today's video. Charan! O diba? Ugupsro. Charan! Uy, ang ganda. Giant Blank Snail Mucus Skincare. Hindi natin mabasa. Basta yan siya. Meron siyang ito. Basahin natin ha. So, extract of puri root. Yan siya. And then, the extract of green tea. The extract of Sophora radix. I don't know. Extract of peach blossom. Peach. Siculanara bacteria gore. Yung pangalan ng flower. The extract of ginkgo leaf. Ginkgo. The extract of walnut. And honey suckle extract. Ginkgo. Ego ko ba yan? Uning namu. In Korean. Anyway, siya. Uy, ang ganda. Taray, Nes. Ay. Balik natin to. Ayan. 1. Snail talaga, oh. Oh, diba? With press button. 2. Ano ba to? Skin. Essence. Ang lit ng essence. BB cream. Oh, BB cream. Kaya alam yung BB cream, diba? Para siyang, ano, yung cream na parang, ano, yung, sun cream, tsaka yung, ano, foundation. Ayan. Nourishing cream. Pang nourished. Eye cream, oh, sa mata. Ang liliit. Mahal, ah. Moisture skin. Emulsion. And then, emulsion. So, ito, skin emulsion. Ito yung small version. Big version, small version. So, ito, sa bahay, wherever you go, you can take this one para maliit siya. Sa bag mo. Ganyan. That's it. So, ito yung bag niya. Yan yung paper bag. If ever, pangkaringkala mo. So, lagyan ba niya? Lagyan mo siya sa loob. Ganyan. Okay, ganyan, oh. Tapos lagay mo ganyan. Oh, regalo. And anyway, ang ganda niya kasi ano, shish. Pahigayin nga natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For only 3,980 cents yata. Okay, I changed my venue. I changed my room. Tatry natin yung ano, hajangpum or yung creams. Diba? Kanina nga ito na unboxing na natin. Ayan siya. Ito yung kanyang bag. So, may free siyang bag. Kung if ever na iririgalo, ganyan. Ano nga ulit ang name? Giant Blank Snail Mucus Skincare. Snail Mucus. So, alam naman natin, pag sinabing mucus, yung mga laway-laway. Char. Concentrated skin perfect solution with snail secretion. Filtrate makes visible, untouchable, improvement, advanced, moisturizing, and nourishing effect. So, bakit ko siya binili kahit hindi siya Charm Zone? Kasi diba Charm Zone naman ako. Well, nung nag-comsec or nag-search ako sa Kupang, Charm Zone talaga. Pero, ito yung lumabas. Lumabas din doon yung mga Charm Zone kasi ang mamahal. Grabe. Alam mo yung dati na 12 pieces na 70,000 won. Ngayon, 100,000 won na. No? Grabe. Ang laki nung tinaas niya. 20K or 30K. Tapos lumabas siya. Tapos, tinignan namin ni Kim sa ano, sa, ang bigat. Tinignan namin ni Kim sa ano, sa Naver. Tapos, mayroon siyang mga review. Maraming review. Maganda naman daw. So, ito na. Siguro, ano siya, sister company. Pero I'm not sure. So, let's open. Taran! Here. I already opened this. I already unboxing this. And then today, what we will do is, let's try our new product. Ito yung kanina, diba? Kanyang ano. Yan. Tsaka yung kanyang mga everything. Binasa ko na yan. So, let's try. Ano ito try natin? Ayan. One more. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces for only 39,000 something. So, 40,000 na lang. Isipin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tig 5,000 lang isa. Try natin yung malaki. Oh, sheesh. Skin. Try natin yung skin. Ang bango. Oh, ang bango. In your surprise. Ang bango. Ayan siya, oh. Oh. Laway ng snail. Char. Mucus daw eh. Snail mucus. Not only snail. Everything is in there. I already read it to you. In English. Because there's an English version. Here. Diba? So we have everything. And then the pink one is peach. Oh, may peach pa siya. I like peach. My favorite fruit. Oh. Ow! Oh, ay, ang galit. So this is the skin. Try natin. And the next one is the emulsion. Skin emulsion. Oh! Babasagin mo pa. Oh! Wow! The smell! So good. Actually, I already put some cream this morning, but since, what time is it? 2 o'clock? 2:30. So, let's put more. Yan, mga tira-tira dyan sa leeg. And then, since ito naman, this one is the same skin emulsion. This one is essence. So, try natin itong BB cream. I need air. So, let's turn the electric fan to dry. Okay, dry natin ha. Ako, babasagin mo pa yan. Ganda ng kanyang bottles. Gold. I'm watching ano na naman, live selling. Hindi ka na sawa sa live selling mo yan. Ito, eye cream, di ba? Huwag na natin ano yung eye cream. Tsaka ano pa ba yung isa? Nourishing cream. Huwag na lahat. Yung dalawa lang, tsaka BB cream. Na ano ko sa BB cream eh. Na-curious ako sa BB cream kasi BB cream, di ba? Yung cream, Malco Dero cream. Yung cream na ang color kasi nito minsan para siyang foundation eh. Ayan oh. Oh. Lagay natin. Huwag masyadong madami. You don't have to put a separate foundation because BB cream for me is already my foundation kasi it blends on my skin. I'm not so really white. I'm not so really black. Brown. So for me, it's okay. See? You look like you have a foundation already. And the sun cream. Oh. See? It makes your skin fair skin like that. Kunti lang nilagay ko. Not too much kasi I don't like too much. Concerned Skin Perfect Solution with snail mucus extracted makes visible and touchable improvement advancement. That's it. Yun lang guys. My review for this. Oh, it smells so good. Naglagay na ako ng headband for this. Thank you guys for watching. The others are, I will not put all of it because it's sticky on my face. I don't like sticky. Just the 3. The skin, emulsion, skin emulsion, and the BB cream. The rest are, no, later. I think it's good. Good. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. That is my review for this Giant Blank Snails Mucus Skincare. It's good. And it smells good. I think I get it. So I'm satisfied. Bye bye. Mwah.